trial where they have put on some of the tweets that Iman has tweeted on certain issues, and I've retweeted them. The allegation on me is that I, in connivance, have retweeted those tweets. And in the trial yesterday, we appeared in the court at the first call of hearing, but even after that was kept in waiting. And in our absence, an attempt was made to frame charge, which is illegal in any aspect of law, after which non-bailable arrest warrants were issued, and then police and FIA officials were sent to our house, who arrived at around 10 p.m. at night, which was only to intimidate us because the receiving of the arrest warrants had been done on WhatsApp through the NCCI official Danish, who had called me and talked to me that there are warrants for your arrest and you need to appear in court tomorrow morning, to which I agreed and received those arrest warrants. But even after that, these arrest warrants, for the arrest warrants, the police had arrived to our house and rang the bell. Today, the court has agreed to the application we had submitted under Section 94 that the challan is still incomplete because the relevant documents were still not attached with it. Specifically, the statements given by us to the NCCIA when we got the pre-arrest bail and joint investigation, these were not included with the challan. Today, these were handed over to us under the law of 265C CRPC. The Honorable Court has to give 7 days time for framing of charge after that. But an attempt was again made today to frame charge, to which we replied that we need to challenge the illegal order of framing charge in High Court.
Hadi Sahab, is the crime of not retweeting your wife's tweet is bigger and the punishment is more, or retweeting it is?
I think the only crime in this country is to raise your voice against the arbitrary and tyrannical steps of the state. And if you do that, you'll land in trouble, which we are facing, and we're ready to face that. But the court needs to at least follow the procedure laid down in the CRPC.
Iman, if he doesn't retweet your tweets, then what is the punishment?
Mati Saab, there is no punishment for anybody for their exercising or not exercising their right to freedom of expression. That's something we deeply believe in. It's unfortunate that in Pakistan, if you speak your mind or if you share something your wife posts, that can land you in jail.
I think silence is the biggest crime.
Saudi, are you paying price to marrying Iman or like?
I don't think so. I'm very proud of my wife and I support her in her journey.